Hi everyone. I hope you're having a great day, night, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. I'm recording this video to introduce the Rhino interface to you. First of all, if you go to rhino3d.com, if you go to its homepage, you would be able to see different tabs that are available. And if you click on the download button, you can see that it's available for a Windows machine as well as for a Mac machine. Right now, it allows you to install the software and use it for free for 90 days. After that, you would need to purchase it. So once you install it and download it, you can open the software. You will have an icon added to your desktop, and you can also pin it to your taskbar. I'm clicking on the icon to open the software. Here you can see that on this window, I'm seeing a snapshot of my recent files, some news, some tips, etc. And then here I have the license and some other functions. So if you close that, you would see four basic views. Right now they're set to top, perspective, front, and right. And if I click on them, they become blue, meaning that they are activated. I can easily switch by them. If I double click on these tabs, that specific viewpoint would be maximized. If I double click again, it will be minimized. Also, I can switch between them if I just click on each one of them. My mouse is a silent mouse, so you cannot hear the click sound, but I'm not clicking on the name of the view itself. I'm just clicking on the screen and they are becoming activated. I'm now in the perspective view. You can zoom in and out by using the scroll of your mouse. If you hold the right button, you can orbit around. And if you hold shift and click the right button of your mouse, you can pan around. You see this hand that is showing up. So this should be similar to any other software interface that you have worked on. If you expand on this small arrow, it allows you to change the view. For example, if I go to set view, I can change it. It has happened that I might want to switch from right to left, for example. So if I go here, I can set it to left, and it's another side view that I can see. Here on the right hand side, you can have different layers, you can change their colors, etc. And then on the top, you have the basic menu that you can open them, and it shows the commands that are stored under each one of these. This is the command bar when you can type in the command, and there's an auto completion, meaning that if you type in something, it will list some possible commands, and if you do not remember the command, you can there's a good way to search for it. Then on the left side, you have some icons. You can either move them out and get rid of them, or add some icons that you might be using a lot. And then in the bottom, you can see that I have my OS Snap settings. I can disable all of them or enable them and pick the ones that I want to use. The background that you are seeing here is not the default. Actually, you can set the colors and the appearance of your background however you like it. If I type in options, it will take me to this window, which is actually a place where you can change a lot of your settings. On the Rhino options, if you go to appearances and expand it to open colors, you can see that you can change the colors of basically every element in the viewports. If I click on restore defaults, you can see this dark gray. That is a default color that when you open Rhino for the first time, you are seeing. So I like to set my background to a light color, and then the major grid line, I want to set it to a medium gray. bluish color, and the minor one, I want to set it to even a lighter color. And when you're happy with what you see, you can hit OK. So yeah, this was a brief introduction to the interface of the software.